Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use PyCharm. To begin, launch PyCharm and select New Project from the Welcome screen. Choose a project type, such as Pure Python, and specify its location. Configure your Python interpreter, selecting an existing one or creating a new virtual environment. This is highly recommended for managing dependencies. PyCharm will then automatically set up your project, including a default main Python file, ready for your code. Once your project is set up, open a Python file from the Project Tool window. Start writing your code in the editor, benefiting from PyCharm's intelligent code completion and syntax highlighting, which speeds up development. To execute your script, simply right-click the file and choose Run File Name. The results and any output from your program will then appear in the Run Tool window, usually found at the bottom of the interface. Debugging is crucial for finding issues. Set a breakpoint by clicking in the gutter next to a line number. Then, right-click your file and select Debug File Name to start the debugger. You can step through your code line by line, inspect variables, and evaluate expressions using the debugger controls. PyCharm also offers robust integration with version control systems, such as Git, accessible directly through the VCS menu, making collaboration and tracking changes straightforward. PyCharm offers many powerful features to enhance your workflow. Use the refactoring tools to safely rename variables, extract methods, or reorganize your code with just a few clicks. The built-in terminal allows you to execute command line operations without leaving the IDE. You can also personalize your experience by customizing the IDE's appearance, fonts, and key bindings through the comprehensive settings. Explore the extensive plugin marketplace to install new themes or add specialized functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.